It's 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's the backbone of how money moves, how businesses grow, and how individuals build wealth. But here's the shocking truth most people don't realize. In this new economy, it's not the AI itself that makes people rich. It's the skills you build around it. Now, let's get something straight right from the start. Becoming rich in the age of AI isn't about knowing how to code like a Silicon Valley engineer or memorizing every technical detail of a neural network. No, it's about acquiring the right set of practical AI skills that turn this technology into profit, opportunity, and influence. And while most people are distracted, scrolling through AI memes or playing with chatbots, the smartest entrepreneurs are already stacking skills that will make them the business leaders of tomorrow. So in this video, we're diving deep, really deep, into the 10 AI skills you must master if you want to build serious wealth by 2026. Not surface-level advice, not gimmicks, but skills that if you commit to learning them now, can fundamentally reshape your financial future. Let's start with the first one, because it's already exploding and creating a wave of self-made millionaires: AI video and content creation. Content has always been king, but AI is turning it into an empire. 5 years ago, creating high-quality videos meant expensive cameras, editing software, and entire production teams. Today, a single creator with the right AI tools can script, animate, voice, and edit professional-grade content in a matter of hours. What this means is that anyone who understands how to combine storytelling with AI automation can build a brand, scale content to millions of viewers, and monetize faster than ever before. Think about it. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they're all algorithms themselves. Platforms reward content that keeps people hooked. So when you combine AI-assisted production with platform-driven algorithms, you get a compounding effect: faster creation, higher reach, and more opportunities for revenue. But here's the key. It's not enough to just know the tools. Anyone can push a button. What separates the rich from the average is strategy. Knowing how to train AI to match your brand's voice, how to use generative visuals that grab attention, how to repurpose one video into a dozen streams of income. That's the leverage AI gives you if you know how to wield it. But let's take it a step further, because behind every AI-powered creator, there's another skill that's quietly becoming the new literacy of the 21st century: prompt engineering. At first, prompting sounds almost too simple. You type something into an AI model, and it spits out a result. But anyone who's tried this knows it's an art. Two people can give the same AI tool the same task, and one walks away with generic fluff, while the other produces something so valuable it could be sold as a service. But difference: the skill of prompting. Prompt engineering is like learning how to talk to a genius that doesn't quite understand human language. If you can master the psychology of how AI interprets instructions, stacking context, setting constraints, and chaining ideas, you can make AI do things that others don't even think are possible. And this isn't just about writing better essays or scripts. Prompt engineering is the foundation of businesses. It powers AI-driven marketing campaigns, product design, coding solutions, even automated customer service. And here's the real kicker. In 2026, prompt engineering will no longer be a niche skill. It will be like financial literacy. Either you have it or you get left behind. The ones who get rich are the ones who don't just use AI, but control it. They know how to push it beyond the defaults, how to extract value while everyone else is still fumbling with copy and paste prompts they found online. Now, let's build on that foundation. Because once you know how to create content and command AI, the next frontier is turning those skills into actual products and businesses. And that's where custom AI app building comes in. Here's the truth. AI apps are the new real estate. 20 years ago, the richest people were flipping properties and buying land. Today, they're flipping apps. Small, hyper-focused tools that solve a single problem and scale to thousands or millions of users. You don't need to be a hardcore software developer anymore. Platforms like Bubble, Replit, and dozens of low-code environments are letting anyone with creativity and AI knowledge build applications that automate tasks, analyze data, or personalize experiences. Imagine building an AI app that automatically manages social media ads for small businesses, or an AI tutor that customizes lessons for students in real time.
These aren't futuristic dreams. They're happening right now. The people getting rich are the ones who spot the problem, train the AI, and launch a simple app that becomes indispensable. And in a marketplace where automation is everything, custom AI solutions are like owning digital factories. They work for you while you sleep. But there's a catch. Not every app turns into gold. The ones that succeed are backed by business intelligence, which brings us to the next skill: AI business consulting. Most companies today know they should be using AI, but here's the reality: they don't know how. CEOs are hearing buzzwords, employees are scared about being replaced, and industries are drowning in inefficiency. That's where the AI consultant steps in. If you know how to walk into a business, analyze where AI can save money, speed up operations, or open new revenue streams, you instantly become one of the most valuable people in the room. And here's why this is powerful for wealth building. Businesses will pay a premium to anyone who can implement AI successfully. If you save a company $10 million with AI automation, charging $100,000 for your expertise is not just reasonable, it's a bargain. The demand is exploding, from law firms to healthcare providers to logistics companies. Every sector is hunting for guidance. And the ones who position themselves as AI business translators, bridging the gap between tech and strategy, are on track to build seven-figure consulting practices. Now, let's pause and look at one last skill for this first chapter because it's arguably the most important for long-term wealth: AI finance and investing. Money has always been about information. Whoever has better data, better analysis, makes better investments. And AI is turbocharging this advantage. We're talking about models that can scan global markets, predict consumer trends, and analyze risks faster than any human analyst. But here's the thing. Most people will use these tools passively, letting robo-advisors make small portfolio adjustments. But the wealthy will learn to use AI as a financial weapon. Imagine training a model to analyze real estate markets down to the neighborhood, identifying undervalued properties before they boom. Or using AI to forecast emerging industries, spotting the next Tesla or next NVIDIA years before the crowd. Wealthy investors are already building private AI tools that give them an informational edge, the kind of edge that compounds into millions. And if you know how to use AI in finance, you're not just playing the game, you're playing it with the answers